high frequency AC. To limit means to stop or to allow?
To stop.
To stop. That means there must be some opposition.
Yes.
That is created by paramagnetic core. C. Paramagnetic core becomes magnet when current passes, and due to change in flux, it opposes the cause producing it. 42. In an AC circuit with LCR in series, at resonance, phase difference between current and voltage. Can you tell? At resonance, what is phase difference? Hey, 1 second. Hello? हाँ सर. हाँ सर 50 नहीं हो पाएगा. बात करके मुझे मतलब कुछ कोई जरूरत नहीं, क्योंकि मुझे मेरा टाइम का इन्वॉल्वमेंट मालूम है ना, और वो फीस हम वैसा नहीं करते. आवर कितना आवर, हाँ बोलिए ना, कितना आवर उसमें डालेंगे उसके हिसाब से होता है. हाँ हाँ बोलिए सर. नहीं सर देखिए, मुझे कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, लेकिन अगर उसमें मैं एक और स्टूडेंट को इंट्रोड्यूस करूंगा, चलेगा आपको? मतलब एक और कोई बच्चा बैठेगा वो लेक्चर में, तो चलेगा? हाँ. नहीं 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 नहीं, वैसे नहीं है वो. नहीं वैसे नहीं सर. वो 40 बच्चे कैसे कि 12th वगैरह पूरा बैठते हैं ना, ये मैं खाली नीट के हिसाब से बोल रहा हूँ. देखो अभी तक मेरे पास उसमें मैं किसी को नहीं बिठाऊंगा, लेकिन एक आध बार कोई बच्चा आ गया, उसको वही चैप्टर का अगर डाउट है, तो ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि मैंने कमिटमेंट किया तो फिर सामने से क्या होता है. जैसे बाई चांस सपोज एक चैप्टर है, लेट अस सी करंट, एक बच्चा बोलता है सर मैंने नहीं समझा है, तो मैं बोलूँगा ठीक है आप भी बैठ जाओ. हाँ 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 हाँ. फाइन, परफेक्ट 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 सर. नहीं नहीं, परफेक्ट परफेक्ट बोल रहा है, परफेक्ट सर. लेकिन अब हाँ 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 हाँ. नहीं नहीं, वो देखिए, वो तो देखिए, मैं मतलब मेरे हिसाब से भी वो अगर कोई भी बच्चा एक्स्ट्रा आता है, मतलब उसको जब तक नहीं सेटिस्फेक्शन होगा क्यों आएगा ना बेचारा. हाँ. अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा. ओ अच्छा, ग्रेट ग्रेट ग्रेट. ग्रेट ग्रेट सर. नहीं नहीं सर, ऐसा कुछ भी सर, अगर 11-12 के है, अगर उसमें कुछ फ्री चाहिए फॉर स्टूडेंट बेनिफिट, तो आप ऐसा कुछ रहेगा तो इवन आई कैन डू. हाँ हाँ. नहीं नहीं, बराबर. हाँ 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 हाँ. सर देख सर सुनो, एकदम नहीं, 2020 का 3 इंस्टॉलमेंट आप कर दीजिए, तो मुझे भी कोई तकलीफ नहीं है. और सेटिस्फेक्शन का आप कुछ टेंशन नहीं. मैंने कैसे किया सर, मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ कि 3 इंस्टॉलमेंट 2020 का आप कर दोगे ना, तो वो परफेक्ट होगा. हाँ. तो देखिए, मुझे सर आपसे रिलेशन डेवलप करना है, मैं स्टार्ट करता हूँ, कोई बात नहीं. ठीक है. चलो चलो. कोई कोई बात नहीं सर, कोई बात नहीं, मेरा काम. ठीक है. ठीक है. थैंक यू. यस यस, थैंक यू. हाँ चलेगा सर, चलेगा सर, कोई बात कोई. ठीक. तो नहीं नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात. नो प्रॉब्लम सर, नो प्रॉब्लम. At resonance, what you know about at resonance? I know 3, 4, 5, 6 things. What about you all? XL is XC. Is it correct? Z equal to R, correct?
Yes.
I equal to E by R, okay? EL is same as EC. Total is ER only. EL minus EC is 0. Phase angle is 0. Power factor is 1. I hope you understood. Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So check it now. What they want? They want phase difference. What is phase difference? 0. So can I write option A? Option A. Right. Anything can be asked. Out of that, they want what is phase difference. Phase difference पूछा हाँ. Completed.
Done, sir.
Power factor of the circuit shown in the figure. Beautiful sound. This is the figure given. Pranjali, can you tell power factor ka formula? Pranjali?
R by Z.
R by Z. Beautiful. Correct. Or R by Z. Perfect. Or
Or I don't know.
just try to recollect cosine of cosine of phase angle or ratio of true power to the apparent power. है ना?
Yes, sir, yes.
Okay. So from this, if I know R and Z, I can get power factor cos phi. What is total R? Is it small r plus capital R? 40 plus 40, is it 80 ohm? Is it 80?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what about Z? Root of total resistance plus XL minus XC square. I'm correct? So 80 square plus 60 square or not? Because 40 and 100 ka difference is 60. Correct, Aman? This is 100. So power factor R by Z. That means 80 upon 100. Is it correct? That means, can I say 0.8?
Yes, sir.
हो गया answer. Write down. Copy the solution. Very important. Beautiful sound. See, for JEE notification, so far I don't think it has come, na? Anybody has seen the notification for JEE? Done. Yes, completed, na?
Yes, sir.
Next sum. In AC circuit containing only resistance, then current and voltage are in only resistance, current and voltage are in hello are in phase, no? Current and voltage are in phase.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so option C are in phase. Power factor varies from where to where? Cos phi minimum is how much? Minimum is 0, maximum is 1. So power factor varies from 0 to 1. A coil of inductance 0.5 Henry millihenry is connected to AC source of EMF 0.462 in RMS and frequency of 49 Hertz. The reactance of the coil will be how much? Reactance of coil is omega L, which is 2 pi FL. So 2 into pi into F49. क्या पूछा? हाँ, inductance. Okay. L is 0.5 millihenry into 10 raised to minus 3. Pi is then 22 by 7 into 49. 5 into 10 raised to minus 4. 7 into 7. 5 into 2 is 10 into 154 into 10 raised to minus 4. So 154 into 10 raised to minus 3. 0.154 ohm is the reactance. Option B. Solve.
Done, sir.
47. In question number 46, the RMS current is voltage upon resistance. Voltage is given as 0.462 from previous sum. 0.154 is Excel. So we get 3 ampere, option C. 3 ampere.
Done, sir.
Next, in an LCR circuit, capacitance is made 1/4 when in resonance. Then what should be the change in inductance so that circuit remains in resonance? Okay. For resonance, 1 upon frequency is 1 upon 2 pi root LC. So for resonance, this frequency must be constant. This must remain constant, then only there will be resonance. So can I say root LC should be constant? That means L1 C1 should be always L2 C2. So when C2 is made 1/4 times C1, then L2 will be made 4 times L1. Orally you can write now. So when capacitance is increased, inductance will be decreased by reciprocal. So option B. Complete 48. Done. Next, the reactance of capacitor. Reactance of capacitor means Xc. At frequency of 50 hertz is 10. This is first reactance, first frequency. What will be the reactance at frequency of 200 hertz? Xc is 1 upon 2 pi Fc. So first reactance upon second reactance is F2 upon F1. F2 upon F1. Xc1 is 10, Xc2 we want, second frequency 200, first is 50, 50 into 4. So reactance is 10 by 4, that means 2.5 ohms. This answer. 2.5 ohms.
Done, sir.
Okay. 68. A coil of wire of certain radius has 600 tons and self-inductance of 108 millihenry. The self-inductance of second similar coil with 500 tons will be how much? Similar coil means same number of tons, the same area of cross section, same material. So L is proportional to N square. If you recollect, we have written L is proportional to L square. Are you remembering this? L is proportional to L square formula. Therefore, L1 upon L2 is N1 upon N2 square. So 108 upon L2 is 600 upon 500 square. 36 upon 25, 108 upon L2, 36 into 3. L2 equal to 75 milliamp. Option B. Done?
Done, sir.
51. In the series circuit shown in the figure, the voltmeter ammeter read as C L R, voltage V across R, voltmeter reading is 400 volt. This is 400 volt connected across 100 volt 50 hertz AC. Here I am making reading we want. Can you see this voltage across inductor is same as capacitor, which is 400?
Yes, sir.
So what is above circuit? Resonance? Is in resonance? Yes, above
Yes.
circuit is in resonance. So E total will be ER, which is equals to 100 volt. And current I will be E by R. E is 100, R is 50. So it is equals to 2 ampere. So voltmeter reading is 100 volt and ammeter reading is 2 ampere. Option B is answer. Completed 51.
Yes, sir. Done.
52. Diagram is missing, but same sum is repeated further, similar type. In sum number 71. So I'm just drawing that diagram by taking reference of that. 15 volt minus plus 1 ohm. Oh, no. This is 5 millihenry. Point B, point A. Current flowing from A to B is 5 ampere. Let us see in our 52 what they are saying. The current in the network is a part of circuit. If at certain instant current I is 5 ampere, I flowing is 5 ampere and is decreasing at the rate of 10 raised to 3 ampere per second. Decreasing current इसका across में देगा मुझे voltage. So voltage across inductor is minus L di by dt. Hello? इस जगह पर
Madam, I'm not interested.
LDI by dt. So that is nothing but minus of 5 into 10 raised to minus 3 decreasing. So I'm writing minus. That means it will become 5 volt, correct? Voltage across this will be 5 volt. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Abhi, by Kirchhoff's voltage law, current is going from A to B, so A ka voltage zyada, minus I into this R in the direction of current. Minus to plus is plus 15 volt. This is opposing, so minus 5 will be equal to VB, because this is opposing, not assisting, therefore minus. So VA minus of एक मिनट, ये डिक्रीजिंग था तो इसलिए ये इधर प्लस होगा, इधर माइनस, बिकॉज दिस इज opposing. Hello, 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 hello. This side will be plus, this side will be minus, because this voltage is positive, so current will go from high to low, positive to negative. हेलो 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 हेलो,
Yes, sir.
एक मिनट पहले ये पूरा मीनिंग समझो, नहीं तो सब रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. प्लस माइनस बाद में समझाता हूँ, पहले खाली वोल्टेज अक्रॉस इंडक्टर देखते हैं. तो कैन आई से VA minus I into R, minus to plus, plus 15, voltage across inductor is equals to VB. Have you followed this much?
Yes, sir.
Now VA I don't know, I know 5, this I know 1, this is 15 plus. This voltage will be opposite of this. That means here will be plus and this will be minus. Correct? Ulta. So minus to plus, plus 5 equal to VB. Any doubt? This will get cancelled. So VA, VB minus VA will be 15 volt. This is answer. VA minus VB 15 volt. Option B. Oppose means it will send the current in ulta direction. So this side will be plus, this will be minus. So that decreasing will become now voltage increasing. Done?
Yes, sir. Done.
53. A resistor and a capacitor are connected in series with 5 volt AC. Resistor, capacitor are in series with 5 volt AC. The RMS voltage across capacitor is 3. What is voltage across resistance? Total voltage in AC circuit, we have already proved ER square plus EC square, if you recollect. So 5 equal to root of ER square plus 3 square. Therefore 25 is ER square plus 9. 16 equal to ER square, 4 equal to ER. Voltage across resistor is 4 volt. $54. R is 10, Z is 20, find phase difference. If I find cosine, I can find phase difference 5. Cos phi is R by Z, which is half. So phi, can I say it is 60 degree? Cos 60 is half.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Completed 53, 54.
Yes.
Next one slightly difficult. A variable capacitor. Variable capacitor. This arrow means it is changing. And an inductor coil. Capacitor is variable, inductor coil is constant. With negligible resistance are connected in series to an AC voltage of value 100 volt. Current in the circuit is 5 ampere. 5 ampere. When the capacitor is decreased to half the value, like if this is C, this is half the value, C by 2. Then current,
Sir, capacitor sign.
C sign, oh sorry, C. Becomes C by 2. Then current becomes 10 ampere. Voltage across the capacitor in the first case. So we want voltage across capacitor in the first case. This is suppose C1, this is C2. Diagram follow?
Yes, sir.
Total voltage, is it E, C and EL ka difference? Or EL minus EC you can write. This you know total voltage?
Yes, sir.
In first case, EL I don't know how much it is, but voltage is I into XL minus I into XC. I is 5 in the first case, XL is constant, I into XC1. Can we write like this or not? Tell me first.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In case 2, 100 volt will be 10 XL minus 10 XC2. We are interested in voltage across C. That means XC to X. If I get XC1, I can get the voltage. But XC1 upon XC2 will be C2 upon C1, which is C by 2 upon C. So can I say XC2 is double XC1? Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So 100 will be 10 times XL minus 10 into 2 times XC1. Equation 2. If I get rid of XL, I will get XC1. So multiplying 1 by 2, we get 200 equals to 10 XL minus 10 XC1, equation 3. Please copy this much.
Done, sir.
Okay. So third equation we got. What is second equation? Can you tell? 100 equal to
10
10
XL minus
हाँ
10 into 2x C1.
मतलब 20 XC ना.
Yes.
एंड अभी जो आया वो 200 इक्वल्स टू 10 XL minus 10 X1 ना.
C1. हाँ.
So minus minus plus. This will be minus 100 equals to minus 10 XC1. So minus minus cancel, 1 0 cancel. XC1 is 10. So voltage across C1 is IXC1. So can I say 5 into 10 equal to 50 volt? I hope you understood well. Yes, understood?
Yes, sir.
Copy.
Done, sir.
Okay. (56) For series LCR circuit of adjacent figure, the power dissipated is I square R no matter what the frequency is. Yes, power is I square R no matter what the frequency is. I square R. 57. In AC circuit, V and I are given as 100 sine of 100 T volts and I is 100 sine of 100 T plus pi by 3 ampere. What is power dissipated? So power dissipated is V into ERMS into IRMS into cos of pi. ERMS means E0 by root 2. IRMS is I0 by root 2. Cos pi is pi by 3. So 100 upon root 2 into 100 upon root 2. Cos pi by 3 means cos 60. Cos 60 is half. So 100 into 100 upon 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 25. So 2500 watt is the power dissipated. Option C.
Done, sir.
In the adjacent LCR circuit, when frequency is equals to resonant frequency. So at resonant frequency, again, all those properties. Voltage across inductor is same as capacitance. Total voltage is ER. I is E by R. Z is R. Phi is 0. These are the properties. So which of the following option is correct? EL minus EC will be 0 because both voltages are same and phase difference is 180. So V2 will be 0, but V1 not 0. V3 not 0. Check where it is. V2 0, V1 not 0. एक मुझे B में देख रहा है, D में भी देखा. So B, D.
Done, sir.
An inductive coil has a resistance of 100 ohm and AC source of frequency 1000 Hertz is connected across it. Applied voltage leads the current by 45 degree. Then what is inductance of the coil? So we know for L and R, tan phi is XL by R. If you have revised theory, you should know all this. So tan of 45 will be XL by R. 1 equal to XL by R. So XL equal to R, 2 pi FL equal to R, which is 100. We want what is inductance, not XL, inductance. We want L. So L equals to 100 upon 2 pi FL, 2 pi F, which is 1000. That is 50. So L equals to 50 upon pi into 10 raised to minus 3 Henry, which is 50 upon pi millihenry. Pi is 3.14. So 50 upon 3.14. 3 into 16. So approximately 16 millihenry, option C.
Done, sir.
Okay. 60th. It is found that the current in the circuit, it is not unit, it is current in the circuit. Current in the circuit is 0.5 ampere with DC source of 120 volt and 0.4 ampere with AC source. The voltages of DC and AC both are 120 volt. Frequency of AC is 60 Hertz. The inductance of the circuit, okay, inductance of the circuit we want. This is DC and this one is AC. For DC source, this will become only this much, correct? Because coil behaves like connecting wire of negligible resistance. So can I say R is voltage upon current, which is 120 upon 0.5 equals to 240 ohms. And in AC, Z will be voltage upon current, which is 120 upon 0.4, that is 1200 upon 4 equals to 300. Now Z square is R square plus XL square. So XL square will be Z square minus R square. which is 300 square minus 240 square. Any doubt till this?
No, sir.
So 90,000 minus of 57600, that is 32400. So XL will become 180 ohm. Please copy this much, then from XL we'll get L. So remember, for DC source, inductor L behaves like connecting wire of negligible resistance.
Done, sir.
From XL, we can find inductance L. So 2 pi FL is 180. L equals to 180 upon 2 pi into F, 60 into 3. That means 3 and 3 approximately cancel. 0.5 Henry approximately. 0.5 Henry. Do we have answer? 0.48 है लगता है.
हाँ, option D.
Option D, yes.
Done, sir.
Next one. 50.
61.
61. In AC circuit containing RLC, inductive reactance is same as capacitive reactance. Is it resonance then?
Yes, sir.
Inductive reactance means XL, same as XC means resonance. At resonance, current and voltage are in phase with each other. Option A.
Done, sir.
62. In the circuit, the bulb will become suddenly bright if the bulb will become suddenly bright if. So for bright or dark, power should be more for brightness. So because it is series, current will be same. Series है ना, तो current will
Yes,
be
sir.
same. तो जिसका अक्रॉस में वोल्टेज ज्यादा, तो पावर इज V into I, वो ज्यादा ब्राइट होएगा. No?
Yes.
At break, back EMF due to flux becoming zero instantly, the rate of change of flux that is that back EMF will be maximum. Therefore, bulb will glow with maximum brightness at break. So make ka time pe there is opposition to the current. During break, resistance of air is infinite. So suddenly current zero ho jata. Therefore, time required to become flux from maximum to zero is least. And while make, zero to maximum time taken is larger. Therefore, EMF will be large during break and it will become suddenly bright. Completed?
Yes, sir.
So we have completed our chapter called EMI. Now there are few homework sum. Daily 555 I will clear your doubts. And start with new chapter which is called atoms, molecule and nuclear. So today I will stop here. In our evening session of extra class, I will